Welcome friends. In today's video, we are going to see what is this @Spring Boot annotations. So this Spring Boot annotations consists of three crucial annotation, which is @configuration, @enable auto configuration, and @component scan. So @Spring annotation, Spring Boot application annotation is equivalent to this three annotation. We will see one by one use cases for this. First, we will understand what is configuration. So configuration, it is similar to like we can mention my app config. So this will tell the Spring IOC to consider this class as a bin, and it will indicates that class can be used as a Spring IOC container as a source of bin definition. So it is equivalent to XML configuration file in traditional Spring applications. Means traditionally we are using this class in XML application. It is equivalent to this class. So I have mentioned this @auto configuration. So directly in Spring Boot we can use this @auto configurations. Then next is @enable auto configuration. So if we see @enable auto configuration enables Spring Boot auto configuration mechanism. This means Spring Boot will automatically configure your application based on dependencies you have added in project. Means it will based on configure all the dependencies we have added. For example, we have added starter form, then it will directly configure embedded server to our applications. And here if we see, these are the ways we can mention @enable auto configuration. Then next one is a component scan. This component scan tells Spring to scan the all packages and as well as sub packages in the Spring Boot applications. Here if we see, here they have given component scan. So let's go inside. If we see this will scan the base packages given in our applications. And Spring, this is necessary for finding Spring components like @controller, @service, @repository, and component and annotated classes. So we use this stereotype annotation in our application. So this will tell Spring containers like scan this necessary uh, beans which is available in our applications. How we can mention @component scan? Here if we see, we can use similarly component scan for our application class name. So these are the three use cases of three annotations. And after combining this, how we can use in Spring Boot application, we can use it as a like here I have given that @Spring Boot annotation. And suppose in case we want to exclude some auto configuration from our application. In that case, how we can exclude? Here I have mentioned exclude equal to, suppose I don't want to data source auto configuration, and that time I will use this exclude and I will add this class name here. So it will exclude from class path Spring Boot. This package will be removed from the class paths. So scanning additional package, if you need to scan additional packages for component, you can use scan base package. So scan base package is suppose you have mentioned some like custom package you want to mention that you want to scan. So here I will mention it like scan base packages, and I will add this Spring Boot scan base packages and I will add my example one package, example two package. Like this, we can scan bean from our application. Whenever we don't get any bean in our application, in that case, we can use this approach. We will just need to add our package name, and that will scan by Spring IOC. That's all from this video, guys. I hope you gain some knowledge from these videos. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys.